Well, we're back. You missed it earlier that they're playing that song, I forget what it's called, but The Universe Will Never Be the Same. I'm glad you came. That literally was the first song I heard coming here. That was on purpose, wasn't it? But it was playing when I was in the security area, and I don't shoot that area, so you've heard it. Pizza's still here. Oh, you know what? That's bad lighting. Let me get it from the other side. Oh, there isn't another side. All right, well, sorry the lighting's bad, but it's only on one side. Big signs. Quick service delivery.
We're happy to have you back here at Universal Citywalk.
So, you probably remember last year they closed a whole bunch of stores around here for, well, we'll find out what, but they now have work walls around them. Very nice work walls. Hopefully they're not going to rearrange them and make them look bad like they normally do. And of course these construction walls continue over here. All the signage is finally down from the stores that closed. That was still up last time I was here. And of course, it's not Universal Orlando without a bunch of really tall people standing around. I don't know where they find all these tall people, but they're all here. Woo! They even have signage for the meet and greet here. So how are the conditions from up there?
Hey!
How are the conditions from up there?
It's
Windy?
good, the social distance, you know?
Yeah.
It's good.
It's universal.
It's very safe. Down here is scary.
Yeah, it is.
Up here, safe.
Yeah.
Right? Exactly, because safety
Is universal.
There's a car.
Well, I never thought I'd be this away from this place as long as I have been. Time for Voodoo Donut. I just finished a ridiculously successful live stream. So thank you if you're a new subscriber, welcome. If not, hopefully you watch that, but thank you for watching this video. Another look at the wall here for whatever's going there. I hated to end the stream when there were so many people watching, but my phone was running out of battery, and once that runs out of battery, there is no live stream, and it would have ended abruptly. So got some time to go. But the question is, do they have any special donuts? I don't know. I actually don't know. So after all that wait, what did I get from Voodoo Donut? Apple fritter. There's nothing new right now, but the regulars are awesome. They actually have you pay and not look at the display case, but the rotating display case is still there, so it was my fault. I was busy tweeting. Now on the live stream I said there's no takeout available. That's only for Margaritaville. Obviously Red Oven Pizza and Voodoo Donut has takeout. hard to show you or to basically tell you anything that I didn't already cover on the live stream. So this is a shorter video, but thanks for watching it all the way through, as short as it is. Please check out the live stream if you missed it. And I'm going to be posting some photos on Twitter. So, again, thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop. I still can't believe I got up to 50 concurrent viewers. The problem is I also burned through most of my data for the month, so not sure if I'm going to live stream at Disney Springs. But we'll see. Definitely going to shoot video though.